Happy August, everybody. Isn't it fun in the fact that we have had the sweetest challenge, and we had so many of you participate here at Amy Howard at Home in our seasonal color showcase. Because here we're going into fall. Guess what? We're going to be back in our homes again, and we're going to be looking at all those things that maybe haven't caught our eye over the summer that we're going, okay, I need to change this, I need to change this, because we're going to be entertaining more, we're going to be inside more. And so we ask you, our amazing customer, what do you want? What are colors that you love? What's part of your inspiration? I don't know if you saw the Facebook Live Jean and I did, and I showed you how I had this blue coral piece. I didn't enter my color, but I love it. Those things that inspire us, that we're like, oh my goodness, if I had that color, I could do so many things with it. So we had so many of you enter, and we're so grateful. Thank you so much for participating. That just warms our heart. But here's the exciting thing. We have 3 winners, and those 3 winners, I'm gonna announce them today. Drum roll, and then share with you their colors. So starting today, the colors for August, September, and October are going to be available for you to purchase. So you just want to be able to go to the seasonal color showcase. We've got a banner on the Amy Howard at Home website that you can get the information to be able to go in and purchase these colors. Are you ready? I need a drum roll. All right, so the first winner is our amazing Mary Corrado. Mary is an amazing designer. So first of all, it makes sense that Mary would choose this color, but look at this. She chose this beautiful CINNABAR with cream. I don't know if you know, but the trend is these warmer, earthy tones in a lot of living rooms. Of course, I love all design, I love all color, but this CINNABAR, look at that, is absolutely yummy. So, Mary, congratulations. Your CINNABAR is the winner of the first color. So, that way, can you see that? Yum, yum, yum. All right, so winner number 2 is Stacy Smith. Sweet Stacy Smith, girl. Hey, girl. And the color that she chose is bright and vibrant and fun, and it's called Monet's Garden. Look at this. Do you not love, 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 love? Look at this green. Yum. I saw a desk painted this color, this fabulous new Monet's green in Architectural Digest, and it was to die for. Look at this. So, congratulations, Stacy Smith, on Monet's Garden. Now, last but definitely not least, we have Kristen Macaron, and her color is absolutely to die for. I need to stir this up just a little bit because I want to get some on the top. And the name of her color is called Portofino. Who's not in love with Portofino, the Amalfi Coast? It's amazing. Look at this. It is somewhat, there's a lot of blue in it. Can you see? There's a little bit of lavender, a little bit of blue. It is a gorgeous color. It's kind of hard when it's wet. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be creating all these projects to be able to use these colors on. Now, you know, here's my thought process. When we're looking at 3 totally different colors. We've got CINNABAR, we've got our green Monet's Garden, and then we've got our Portofino. The feeling, this is more coastal. This is something that you could put on some chairs with a wood table. This is something that you could go into a child's room. And a lot of people don't know, but of course remember, with a one-step paint, you can paint fabric. So that way you could literally go in and paint the upholstery on your chair that you have in this color too. So there's so many ways that we can use the one-step paint. It has such versatility. And then that way, if you want to, you can come back on top of it, you can wax it, you can antique it, you can put the milk paint on top of it. There's so many versatile things that you can do. So I'm curious, as y'all see what we've launched today with CINNABAR by Mary Corrado, with Monet's Garden. Hold on, let me get this. Monet's Garden by Stacy Smith, and Portofino by Kristen Macaron. Which one's your favorite? So let's use our creativity. Colors know no boundaries in the fact of how we can use them. I think they're all fabulous colors. I think they're definitely statement pieces. And I think it's something that's gonna add to your decor and the feeling and the emotion that color evokes. I think it's gonna be so much fun. So be one of the first people to order these colors. They're gonna be available in August, September, and October. Thank you everyone that participated in this amazing contest. It meant so much to us, that how much you cared. We love seeing your entries, the reason why you loved these things, and the colors. It made it so much fun. So congratulations to all 3 of our winners. We're gonna be sending you your paint that you won free of charge. And then that way, if you want to be able to be a continuing part of our community, please, when you choose your color, when you paint your piece, put it on the Amy Howard at Home Before and After page so you can enjoy the bragging rights too. Have a fantastic day, everybody. Mwah. Love you guys.